Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Firebase in Webflow member content step by step clearly. To authenticate with Firebase in Webflow member content, start by creating a Firebase project. Go to the Firebase console and click on Add Project. Follow the prompts to name your project and set up Google Analytics if desired. Once your project is created, click on Web to add a new web app. Register your app by providing a nickname and click Register App. Firebase will then display your app's configuration details. Copy the configuration snippet that includes the API key, domain, and project ID. Now, open your Webflow project where you want to implement authentication. Go to the project settings in Webflow. Under the Custom Code tab, paste the Firebase configuration snippet into the before/body tags section. Click Save Changes and then publish your Webflow project. Next, visit the Firebase console and navigate to the authentication section. Enable the sign-in methods you want to use, such as email/password or Google. After enabling your chosen providers, go back to your Webflow project. Create a new page or section for your members area. Add form elements for user login, including fields for email and password. Add a submit button labeled login to your form. In the page settings, open the custom code section again. Add a JavaScript code snippet that initializes Firebase using the configuration you've added. Add event listeners to handle the login form submission. Inside the listener, use Firebase's authentication methods to sign in users. Ensure to handle errors and provide feedback in case of unsuccessful logins. For logged-in users, redirect them to the members-only content. Test your authentication flow by trying to log in with a registered account. Verify that the correct content displays for authenticated users and is hidden for guests. Continue refining your setup by customizing the user experience as needed. Remember to secure your member content properly to prevent unauthorized access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.